Hi everybody, how are you doing? Hope you are staying safe out there. Do let me know in the comment sections below where you are from. Thank you for your support of my channel, Unconventional Passionss, where I bring to you unconventional travel, eats, and exploration. Do subscribe and let us build a community of explorers together. And stay tuned for more. But now, it is time for unboxing video. Enjoy! Hi guys, so I'm excited to have this. This just came. Let's open up this box. And here we go. Oh my gosh. And what's this we got here? The Gopro Hero 9 Black. I'm excited for this. The Gopro Hero 9 Black. I just ordered this. So let's open it up. And it comes in the casing. Oh wow. Look at this, the casing. It looks solid. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Looks like some manuals. So I'll touch on the price later on, and let's see what's inside the box. I have this buoyancy grip. Interesting. Okay, so this is a clip that I can attach the GoPro on. So one battery, another battery, so this is the USB-C cable. So this is one of the clips that they give. Screws. And then lastly, the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Wow, this just looks amazing. I'll be doing a test later on, and I'll show you how this show you the features of this GoPro 9. I hope you enjoy this video. Do subscribe and like my video if you like this type of content. Do let me know in the comment section if you have used a GoPro 9 before or recently purchased one. So here we go. I've unboxed the GoPro, and yeah, I will explain later to you what bundle I have bought and the pricing of this GoPro. Okay, so I bought the bundle and save. So I got this GoPro Hero 9 bundle for $540 with a 1-year subscription to GoPro. So they also give me a magnetic swivel clip, and then the floating hand grip and the spare battery, and a 32 gigabytes SD card and the case included, which you have seen in the unboxing video in front. Okay, so it's quite interesting that this bundle and save comes at a 540 price point, because with just a GoPro Hero itself, it cost 680 Singapore dollars. Okay, so we come with a bundle and a subscription is actually a way lower price. And what's more, the subscription comes with a unlimited cloud for a lifetime. So I think the subscription comes at $68 Sing dollar per year, and you can renew it every year. So this price includes the subscription fee. So it's rather interesting. So these are some of the top features of the new GoPro. So you can take pictures at 20 megapixels, and then video there's at 4K and 60 FPS, and so it shoots at 5K, 30 FPS. And so it's waterproof at 10 meters. And so there's a improved hyper smooth, which is stabilization inbuilt. And then there's also a built-in mounting, and then 8 times slow-mo. So 180p live streaming as well. You can use this for live streaming. And then there's a super fit photo and plus HDR, which is some of the cool features of the new GoPro. So this new GoPro, right, has a new feature as compared to the previous versions. So there's a front display screen, and so there's also a bigger back display screen. Yeah, so introducing the Hyper Smooth 3.0, which is like a advanced stabilization, and we will test it out later on. One of the coolest thing of this new GoPro is that it has, I think, prolonged lifespan for the battery, and also more battery for your shooting. So in the next part of the video, I will show you some of the footage of the test video.